Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of public administration. You might have heard the term before, but what does it really mean? Public administration is all about how government policies are implemented and how public programs are managed. It's the backbone of how our communities function, ensuring that services like education, transportation, and public safety run smoothly. In this video, we'll explore the key concepts, history, and importance of public administration, and see how it impacts our daily lives. Let's start by understanding the basics and why this field matters to everyone, not just government workers. At its core, public administration is the organization and management of government agencies and programs. It involves planning, directing, coordinating, and controlling government operations. Think of it as the engine that keeps the public sector running. Public administrators are responsible for translating laws and policies into action, making sure that government services reach the people who need them. Whether it's managing a city's budget, overseeing public health initiatives, or coordinating disaster response, public administration is everywhere. This field blends management skills with a deep understanding of public needs and government processes. Public administration has a long and rich history. Its roots can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where rulers appointed officials to manage resources and maintain order. Over time, as societies grew more complex, the need for organized government structures became more apparent. In the modern era, public administration emerged as a distinct field of study, especially in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Scholars began to analyze how governments could be more efficient and responsive to citizens' needs. This historical evolution set the stage for today's public administration practices. Public administration covers a wide range of functions. These include policy formulation, budgeting, human resource management, and service delivery. Administrators work behind the scenes to ensure that government programs are effective and efficient. They analyze data, develop strategies, and coordinate with various departments to solve problems. For example, during a public health crisis, administrators might organize vaccination campaigns or manage emergency response teams. Their work is essential to keeping society running smoothly and addressing the needs of the public. One common question is how public administration differs from private administration. While both involve managing organizations, public administration focuses on serving the public interest and is accountable to citizens and elected officials. Private administration, on the other hand, is driven by profit and serves shareholders or owners. Public administrators must balance efficiency with fairness, transparency, and ethical considerations. Their decisions often have wide-reaching impacts on society, making their role both challenging and rewarding. Bureaucracy is a key concept in public administration. It refers to the structured system of rules, procedures, and hierarchy that organizes government work. Bureaucracies help ensure consistency and fairness in how policies are applied. While the word sometimes has a negative connotation, bureaucracy is essential for managing large, complex organizations. It allows governments to handle everything from issuing driver's licenses to regulating industries. Understanding bureaucracy helps us appreciate the challenges and benefits of organized public service. A major responsibility of public administrators is turning policies into action. After lawmakers pass new laws or regulations, it's up to administrators to figure out how to make them work in the real world. This involves creating detailed plans, allocating resources, and coordinating with various agencies. Effective policy implementation requires strong leadership, clear communication, and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. When done well, it ensures that government programs achieve their intended goals and serve the public effectively. Public administration is guided by a set of core values. These include accountability, transparency, equity, and service to the public. Administrators are expected to act ethically and make decisions that benefit society as a whole. These values help build trust between government and citizens, ensuring that public resources are used responsibly. Upholding these principles is crucial for maintaining the legitimacy and effectiveness of government institutions. Public administration operates at all levels of government, federal, state, and local. Each level has its own responsibilities and challenges. For example, federal agencies might manage national defense or social security, while local governments handle services like policing, sanitation, and public schools. Administrators at each level must coordinate with one another to ensure that policies are consistent and effective across the board. This multi-level structure allows for tailored solutions to meet the unique needs of different communities. Public administrators wear many hats. They might manage budgets, oversee staff, develop policies, or communicate with the public. Their work often involves problem-solving and decision-making in complex, dynamic environments. Administrators must be adaptable, analytical, and skilled at working with diverse groups of people. Whether they're responding to emergencies or planning long-term projects, their efforts are vital to the success of government programs and the well-being of communities. A career in public administration typically requires a solid educational background. Many administrators hold degrees in public administration, political science, or related fields. Training programs and professional development opportunities help them stay up to date with best practices and new technologies. Continuous learning is essential, as the field is always evolving to meet new challenges. Education equips administrators with the knowledge and skills they need to serve the public effectively. Ethics play a central role in public administration. Administrators are entrusted with public resources and must make decisions that affect people's lives. Upholding ethical standards means acting with integrity, avoiding conflicts of interest, and being transparent about decision-making processes. Ethical lapses can erode public trust and undermine the effectiveness of government programs. That's why strong ethical guidelines and accountability mechanisms are so important in this field. Public administration is closely linked to the public policy process. Administrators often participate in policy development, from identifying issues to evaluating outcomes. They provide expertise, gather data, and help design programs that address public needs. Once policies are adopted, administrators oversee their implementation and monitor their effectiveness. This ongoing process ensures that government actions remain relevant and responsive to changing circumstances. Managing public funds is a critical part of public administration. Administrators are responsible for preparing budgets, allocating resources, and ensuring that spending aligns with policy goals. They must balance competing demands and make tough choices about where to invest limited resources. Sound financial management helps governments deliver services efficiently and maintain public trust. Transparency and accountability in budgeting are essential for good governance. People are the heart of any organization, and public administration is no exception. Human resource management involves recruiting, training, and supporting government employees. Administrators work to create positive work environments, promote diversity and inclusion, and ensure that staff have the skills they need to succeed. Effective HR management leads to better service delivery and a more motivated workforce. The way government agencies are organized affects how they operate. Organizational structure refers to how roles, responsibilities, and authority are distributed within an agency. Some agencies have hierarchical structures with clear chains of command, while others use more flexible, team-based approaches. The right structure can improve communication, efficiency, and accountability, helping agencies achieve their missions more effectively. Decision-making is a daily part of public administration. Administrators must weigh different options, consider the needs of various stakeholders, and anticipate the consequences of their choices. Good decision-making involves gathering relevant information, consulting with experts, and being open to feedback. It also requires the courage to make tough calls, especially when resources are limited or issues are controversial. Effective communication is essential for public administrators. They must convey information clearly to staff, the public, and other government officials. This includes writing reports, giving presentations, and responding to questions or concerns. Good communication builds trust, prevents misunderstandings, and helps ensure that everyone is working toward the same goals. Administrators also need to be good listeners, open to feedback and new ideas. Technology is transforming public administration. From digital record keeping to online service delivery, new tools are making government more efficient and accessible. Administrators use data analytics to inform decisions, automate routine tasks, and improve communication with the public. Embracing technology helps agencies respond to challenges more quickly and deliver better services to citizens. Public administrators face many challenges, from limited budgets to changing political priorities. They must navigate complex regulations, manage diverse teams, and respond to emergencies. Balancing efficiency with fairness and transparency is an ongoing struggle. Despite these challenges, dedicated administrators work hard to serve the public and improve government performance. Citizen involvement is a key part of public administration. Administrators often seek input from the public through surveys, town hall meetings, and advisory boards. This participation helps ensure that government programs reflect the needs and preferences of the community. Engaging citizens also builds trust and encourages accountability in government decision-making. Modern public administration values diversity and inclusion. Administrators strive to create workplaces that reflect the communities they serve. This means recruiting people from different backgrounds, promoting equal opportunities, and addressing barriers to participation. Diverse teams bring fresh perspectives and innovative solutions to complex problems, making government more effective and responsive. Transparency is a cornerstone of good public administration. It means making information about government decisions, spending, and performance available to the public. Transparent practices help prevent corruption, promote accountability, and build trust between citizens and government. Administrators use open data portals, public reports, and regular communication to keep the public informed. Public administrators play a crucial role during crises, such as natural disasters or public health emergencies. They coordinate response efforts, allocate resources, and communicate vital information to the public. Effective crisis management requires quick thinking, collaboration, and the ability to adapt to rapidly changing situations. Administrators must also plan for recovery and learn from each crisis to improve future responses. Public administration often involves working with other government agencies at different levels. Intergovernmental relations refer to the collaboration and coordination between federal, state, and local governments. Administrators must navigate different rules, priorities, and resources to achieve common goals. Strong intergovernmental relations help ensure that services are delivered efficiently and that policies are consistent across jurisdictions. Measuring performance is essential in public administration. Administrators use various tools and indicators to assess how well programs are working. This might include tracking service delivery times, customer satisfaction, or budget efficiency. Performance measurement helps identify areas for improvement and ensures that government programs deliver real value to the public. Innovation is driving change in public administration. Administrators are finding new ways to solve problems, deliver services, and engage with the public. This might involve adopting new technologies, rethinking traditional processes, or partnering with private organizations. Embracing innovation helps government stay relevant and responsive in a rapidly changing world. Public administration is not limited to one country or culture. Administrators around the world face similar challenges, from managing resources to ensuring accountability. Studying global perspectives helps us learn from different approaches and adapt best practices to local contexts. International organizations also play a role in promoting good governance and supporting public administration reforms worldwide. Over the years, scholars have developed various theories to explain how public administration works. These include classical theories focused on hierarchy and efficiency, as well as modern approaches that emphasize flexibility and collaboration. Understanding these theories helps administrators choose the right strategies for different situations and adapt to changing environments. Law is a fundamental part of public administration. Administrators must understand and comply with legal requirements when making decisions and implementing policies. This includes respecting constitutional rights, following administrative procedures, and ensuring due process. Legal frameworks provide the rules and boundaries within which public administration operates, protecting both the public and government employees. Public administration and politics are closely connected. Administrators must work within the political environment, responding to the priorities of elected officials and the public. While administrators are expected to be neutral and professional, political considerations often influence their work. Navigating this relationship requires diplomacy, flexibility, and a strong commitment to serving the public interest. A career in public administration offers many opportunities. Administrators can work in government agencies, nonprofit organizations, or international bodies. Roles range from policy analysts and budget officers to city managers and program directors. Public administration careers are rewarding for those who want to make a positive impact on society and help shape the future of their communities. Let's look at some real-world examples of public administration in action. During a natural disaster, administrators coordinate emergency response, manage shelters, and distribute aid. In public health, they organize vaccination campaigns and monitor disease outbreaks. These examples show how public administration directly affects people's lives and highlights the importance of effective management and leadership. Social equity is a growing focus in public administration. Administrators work to ensure that government programs are fair and accessible to all, regardless of background or circumstance. This involves identifying and addressing disparities in service delivery, promoting inclusive policies, and advocating for vulnerable populations. Social equity strengthens communities and promotes justice. Sustainability is an important consideration for public administrators. They are responsible for developing policies and programs that protect the environment, conserve resources, and promote long-term well-being. This might include managing public transportation, supporting renewable energy, or encouraging recycling. Sustainable public administration helps ensure a healthy future for generations to come. Community development is a key area of public administration. Administrators work with local leaders, businesses, and residents to improve neighborhoods, create jobs, and enhance quality of life. This collaborative approach helps build stronger, more resilient communities. Public administration provides the tools and expertise needed to turn community goals into reality. Ensuring public safety is a fundamental responsibility of public administration. Administrators oversee police, fire, and emergency services, develop safety policies, and coordinate disaster preparedness. Their work helps protect lives and property, maintain order, and respond effectively to emergencies. Public Safety Administration requires careful planning, training, and collaboration with other agencies. Education is another vital area of public administration. Administrators manage public schools, develop educational policies, and allocate resources to support students and teachers. Their efforts help ensure that all children have access to quality education and that schools meet the needs of diverse communities. Education administration shapes the future by investing in the next generation. Public health administration involves managing programs that protect and promote community health. Administrators oversee hospitals, vaccination campaigns, and disease prevention efforts. They work to ensure that health services are accessible, affordable, and effective. Public health administration plays a critical role in improving quality of life and responding to health emergencies. Infrastructure management is a major part of public administration. Administrators plan, build, and maintain roads, bridges, water systems, and other public facilities. Their work supports economic growth, public safety, and quality of life. Infrastructure projects require careful planning, budgeting, and coordination with multiple stakeholders. Transportation administration involves managing public transit systems, roads, and traffic safety programs. Administrators work to make transportation efficient, safe, and accessible for all. They plan routes, maintain infrastructure, and develop policies to reduce congestion and pollution. Effective transportation administration supports economic development and improves daily life for millions of people. Environmental administration focuses on protecting natural resources and promoting sustainability. Administrators develop policies to reduce pollution, conserve energy, and manage parks and wildlife. Their work helps ensure a healthy environment for current and future generations. Environmental administration requires collaboration with scientists, community groups, and other agencies. Technology policy administration involves managing the development and implementation of technology-related regulations and programs. Administrators oversee issues like data privacy, cybersecurity, and digital inclusion. Their work ensures that technology benefits everyone and that risks are managed responsibly. Technology policy is increasingly important as society becomes more connected and reliant on digital tools. The future of public administration is full of opportunities and challenges. Administrators will need to adapt to new technologies, changing demographics, and evolving public expectations. Lifelong learning, innovation, and a commitment to public service will be key to success. By embracing change and staying focused on the public good, administrators can help build a better future for everyone. In summary, public administration is the art and science of managing government programs and services. It touches every aspect of our lives, from education and health to transportation and public safety. Administrators work tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure that government runs smoothly and serves the public interest. By understanding public administration, we gain a deeper appreciation for the people and processes that keep our communities thriving. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of public administration.